Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Eiji Okumura. All right, so here we go. So we're gonna start with his hair up here. So we're gonna start with some little curvy zigzags. Curvy zigzags. Like that. Then we're gonna draw a letter C for his ear and just put in some little ear details, and we're gonna draw a letter C here for this one. And some little ear details. Then we're gonna draw some more little zigzags for his hair, because he's a lot of hair. Some little zigzags. Little zigzags. There we go. And then we're gonna draw his jaw. So it's gonna come in, go down, come back up, and go back into his ear. We're gonna draw a little chin line. And here's his mouth. It's gonna be open like that. And he's got some teeth here and a tongue here. Then he's got little nose lines here like that. And his eyes, he's like laughing here, so they're kind of just squinty. Like that. Maybe some eyebrows here. Maybe a little eyebrow back here. There we go. Then his neck comes down like that. And we've got like some necklines, shoulder, shoulder. And then we've got like a shirt thing here. More shoulder. Then on this side we have the hand, and he's holding some chopsticks. So it's gonna be like an oval like that, kind of like a little hook. Then we're gonna have a straight line that comes down and back. Then we're gonna have some bumps for his knuckles. And then we're gonna have kind of a curved line that goes straight and comes around. And we'll put a hook on that for that finger. And we got another line that comes around. And I think that's about all you see there for that. Okay, then the chopstick comes right off of this line. So it looks like it's like a bamboo chopstick. Down, and it looks straight. Now we've got another one here. We're running out of room. Okay, so there's the two chopsticks. Then we've got a little more shoulder coming here. There's that. Then we've got a little more hair, little zigzaggies. Some behind his ear. We got a little more hair, zigzaggies. There we go. Then he's in a kitchen. We're gonna draw a line across. Draw another line across. Draw some more lines. Draw some more lines. We've got some ovals, some bowls, ovals with some cylinders. Do some overlapping. Should we put a little checkerboard for the tile work on the wall? And you gotta kind of make it the same across or it looks kind of weird. Okay, so there we go. Eiji Okumura. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.